What's up, everyone? It is Trina Jacobson, the owner and creator behind Diamonds and Dust, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable spring fox patchwork tumbler using all of my items from my designer box. We're going to start off by using these really cute vinyls that came in my February designer or craft makers box. This is the cute fox vinyl and the fox floral vinyl. We are going to just start by cutting out random rectangles and squares. Now we are going to take our rectangles and squares and we're just going to place them sporadically on our tumbler. I'm going to just use this dry erase marker, but we're going to go and make squares and rectangles. We're going to imagine the square or rectangle goes behind the little pieces of vinyl that we already placed. So I'm just kind of following that line behind, continuing the square down into the next piece of vinyl. I wanted to add a variation of texture, so on some of those smaller patches, I'm going to take some tack it, paint it on those small sections, and apply a mica powder. And we're going to take some glitter glue and paint each section. And then we are going to take the 3 glitters that came in the box. We have Foxy, Swift, and Willow. And we're going to use those 3 glitters on each section of the patchwork tumbler. If you want more information on my boxes, I offer them every single month. They are first come, first serve, and they do tend to sell out fairly quickly. So if you're interested, I give my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group a heads up before I post them on all of my other socials. There's a link for you down in the description to join. All the glitter and vinyl I am using in this tumbler tutorial is available now in my Etsy shop. We are going to coat our tumbler with epoxy and let that cure. Then I'm just going to take a black paint marker and I'm going to just add different types of lines and squiggles that would represent kind of a stitching look. And I'm going to go around each patchwork section. I have cut out these little golden line flowers on my silhouette, and I'm just going to sporadically place them all over my tumbler. Add your final layers of epoxy and your cute little spring fox tumbler is all complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.